Hello, it's Teresa in the Placer County Public Library Teen Department. For our activity today, we are doing a little Easter bunny. So what we're going to need for this little Easter bunny here is one of the dice. This all came from Dollar Tree. The dice did. So you're going to take this out. You're going to use two balloons like this. You're going to need some felt, white and pink, cotton balls for tail, the raffia for your decoration here for your, and I used ribbon. You can use whatever you want to. The toothpicks are going to hold your ears up. Little button for decoration too. Again, you can use whatever you want to for your little bunny decoration. The cotton ball works for the tail, or you can use whatever you want to for the tail as well. Pom-poms or something like that be fine. Now for the ears, I did print off a template, so I've got the bigger part here, and then I done a little ones so that you see you have the inner ear and the outer one, and your toothpick, I just broke it in half and used it so it'll sit up, stand up. And I didn't bring it with me, but you'll need like a glue gun is what I used to make sure it stayed on there really well. And hold it in place. I would recommend that because I'm not sure that the regular glue is not going to hold very well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your dice like this. You're going to cut your balloon, and this one uses two, but if you use different colors and stuff, it might be able to not show the green through. So you're going to do this, and this helps it to you be able to slide this over that, because you can stretch it out farther than you could with this on it, so that you can slide it over the dice. So you're going to slide that over the dice. You're going to do another one and slide it, and when at the bottom here, it will come together, and I just taped the bottom so it would sit and you won't see that part. And then what you do, you're going to take your, you're going to draw a little face and little whiskers. Again, you can do however you want to on that. And then I took made my bunny ears, and I hot glued that on there, put my little tail on there, hot glued it, and then I made my little bow here for this. So I took the raffia and made like a bow, which is just kind of folding it over, and hot glued that on there, hot glued the little ribbon I made, and put a button on it. And that's your little bunny. Very easy to make. Again, you can get this at Dollar Tree. The little band's very cheap too. Felt, any of those things you can get pretty cheap. So a little cute Easter decoration for you. There you go, little Easter bunny. Thank you.